Well, I picked up a really rough carbon fiber trunk to try on the car. Gonna try and have this carbon fiber restored like I did the hood. The main thing is looking for weight reduction, but also where the wing was on the stock, it's pretty deformed and it would need body work at a minimum. I picked this up for really cheap. Hopefully I'd get it restored, and we're gonna weigh it and see how much weight it is. I have this thing fully assembled at the moment, meaning it's got a set of taillights, a trunk lock, a latch, everything that it would have. And what we're trying to do is kind of compare it to what it should be. £14.2 pounds. I'm going to weigh it again just to get a better measurement, make sure that's accurate. £14.2. Okay, cool. As you can see, the clear coat is pretty decimated there. Got a lot of bubbling and fading and peeling. I'm hoping Jesus can sand this down, put resin on it, and a couple coats of clear coat, and it's looking a lot better. I plan on using my trunk lock, my tail lights, and I got to figure out this third brake light here as far as removing it. Looks like it should just pop off, but we shall see. This does appear to be in pretty good structural condition, and I'm just trying to see what we would need to do to fit it all up there, but I'm gonna run it and see what happens. We'll do the test fitment stuff. There's only one little area right here. It looks like it got a little gouge, and I'm hoping some light sanding and some resin can save that. These tiny little cracks I think are mostly in the gel coat. I don't think they're actually in the carbon. But again, if this is sanded down, I think it should polish up quite nicely. $21.4. Just giving an overview of the progress over the winter time here. I got the carbon hood refinished. It's looking very nice. Got the Brembo brakes on the front. Got the rear bushings and Bilstein shocks in the rear. Got the carbon trunk refinished as well. Still have to do a little bit of minor fitment, but it looks really good. Definitely cleaned up the rear. Took away all the dents and divots from having the stock wing on the stock trunk. Even though it's not two-tone, I really like the look of it, and just trying to get the car looking sharp. Got the NRG seats with the harnesses. Just have to finish mounting the passenger side. Looking good.